Hello and welcome, parents, to our lesson on evaluating websites. As a parent, it can be overwhelming and confusing to decide which websites your children should be going on. In order to tackle this daunting world of website overload, let's first discuss why it is important to evaluate and think critically about websites. Web searches can result in an overload of information. There's inappropriate content, objectionable and outdated material, or inaccurate information. In order to become productive consumers, we must become website evaluators. In order to help you become better website evaluators, Tim Green recommends looking at 3 different things when evaluating websites. The first is looking at a website's purpose, the second, a website's content, and third, the website's functionality. The first thing we want to look at is the purpose. What is the intent of the information on the website being provided? And we do that by looking at the URL. .com, .gov, .edu, .org, .mil, and .net all have different purposes for websites. When looking at the purpose, we also want to look at what information is being communicated on the web, what titles, headings, and images are on the website, as well as who is the audience it is intended to read the website: kids, adults, teens, educators. This matters when we look at websites. The next thing we need to look at is the content. Who wrote the website? Is there enough details? Is the information accurate or inaccurate? Or is there self-interest in presenting the content? Are they trying to sell you something? The last thing to look at is the functionality of the website. Are there dead or broken links? Are there grammar and spelling errors? How long does it take to load the website? Is it pleasing to the eye? Or can you get around the website easily? These things matter when looking at a website. Congratulations, you are now an expert evaluator. Every time you go to a website, make sure that the purpose, content, and functionality is appropriate for your children. Finally, to give credit where credit is due, Tim Green provided the information from the article Teaching Students to Critically Evaluate Web Pages in the periodical The Clearinghouse, Issue 75, Volume 1, pages 32 through 34.
Created using Powtoon.